To draw a hot dog, we'll begin by drawing two parallel lines, then making it curve and connecting them. So this will serve as the upper bread. Then we'll draw a narrow hot dog, and similarly below the way we just did above, we'll draw another bun. So with this done, we'll now start adding more details. So I'll be adding few dots. Next, we'll add a wave, which is representation of the sauce. And with this done, we'll now start coloring. So to begin with the yellow color for the sauce, and we'll be using brown color. Next, we'll be using orange for the bun part. And that is how you draw a hot dog.